Where are you from, baby?
From India.
India? Welcome to America. It's a shit show. Sorry. Stay in Jamaica.
I don't like America, never do.
Nah, me neither. I'm with you. I went to one of those things called school. We learned that it was not a good place to be anyway.
Yeah. It's true, there's nothing in America. No peace.
When is your contract up? When do you get to go home?
In August.
August? Nice. You excited?
August.
Yeah. Not exactly. Mainly just lives.
Just like.
I do cruise reviews. I cruise every month. But that doesn't hit as well as my ex. So they're like this.
Supposedly you have to do that every day.
So I'm good with that too, you know? America is a great place. Jamaica was phenomenal, but you guys see that shit come out. Yeah, see now we got like 100, we got like 200 people in here now. Here, say hi. It's Bubba. Bubba from Guy's Burger, who almost got hauled away by this lady. I'm on the Conquest, a boat I will not recommend to anybody, okay? After the Conquest, 2 days later I get on the Celebration for the slot tournament there. I still owe the boat, we are working on it. You see I'm sunburned? Can you see it? This is Jamaica. The Jamaica sun got your girl. It did. This is how I twerk with meatballs. I just wanted a couple meatballs. Ooh, thank you, love. Oh, you saved the day. Bubba saved the day. Thank you, baby.
Enjoy, you have a good day.
Thank you, love. I'll see you later. I'll be out here in the bikini. If you didn't see me yesterday, I hope you did. It was fire. It was a fire situation. I'm sun-kissed. Bad mom is sun-kissed. I like that term. Oh, you need to get on a cruise. Come get on a cruise with me. Come on. You know, we go hard. We go hard. We don't even go hard or go home. There is no fucking going on. We get so deep in that shit, we can't get out of it, baby. You already know what it is. Cheers. Life, love, sister, happiness. It's 3 o'clock on my phone, but it's 4 o'clock on the boat time. I have a pedicure at 4:45, and then I'm going to dinner, probably by myself. I should go jump in the water. But I have the taste for some of these fries. These are the fries from the deli. They're not bad. But the guy's burger with a little bit of ketchup and mayo. Fuck yeah. And then I'll be on Clapper later. Throw some dollars. You want to see some ass, you gotta spend some cash. Keep them dollars throwing, and I'm gonna make it in. God's Burger is just good. Their fries are the best. Today they're not as salty as I like them. But it's not busy out here because this is a casino cruise. Everybody's in the fucking casino. Where I'm trying to be. To win, but I'm better up out here. But this is an old ass boat. I will not recommend the Conquest. There's just no need to come on the Conquest when you got the Celebration, the Jubilee. Reese's sister. I love her. But my Aces cruise, hands down, kills this one. My Aces cruise. But again, no cruise beats January 2026. That back to back. On the breeze. The cheapest. Horrible. Fucking stay away from the Forense, stay away from the Radiance, just stay away from it. It's not even worth your life. But if you're booking and you're not booking with me, then shame on you and don't ask me for advice. Yes, I'm eating pickles. I'm eating fucking pickles with ketchup and mayo. But I gotta slow down because tonight is steak and lobster, but I haven't ate yet. wasteful food. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not eating no more. There's none. I had a couple little bites of the bread. I ate the meatball parts because they don't have enough marinara. And these fries, yeah, they're really not frying. We're good. I did not get a burger, guys, because I didn't want one. So I just got some fries and some pickles and some sauces. I don't even know if we got a chicken shake here because I don't really give a fuck. You already know I don't eat chicken. And every night we've had some sort of lobster and steak for dinner. Last night I did have a little bit of the pork ribs. I'm not gonna lie, they were really good. I don't know, my neighbor, I don't know why, but I think my neighbor's mad at me. Won't let me back on his patio. I'll try later again. I had a little party in my cabin last night, so I think I pissed up the dog from the floor. Yeah, I don't give a fuck. We know. I definitely feel like I just want my feet now. I'm not letting them repaint shit. I just literally want my feet rubbed, scrubbed, and rubbed some more. I got a really good massage yesterday too. Can't tell you about who though. No, it was massage therapy. But it was fun. Honestly, yeah, for my first time being able to come out to eat some fries and shit, I'm not impressed. My neighbors hate me and love me. I think it's the same damn time. I'm like the best neighbor, but I don't normally have like cabin parties. I'm in the interior cabin too. And this is it. I can't finish it. I'm full of love. It's hard. I just can't do it. Oh, you got hot love out here too. Yeah. It was cool. I mean, with some people I met yesterday, I hung out with in Jamaica yesterday. And I was with some locals and stuff. So it was a good time. My damn bikini down. Get me some damn water. I can tell you I'm not gaining weight on this. Now I'm probably gonna gain weight on the celebration because the celebration has Jubilee food. Otherwise I've been eating maybe twice a day an egg in the morning and a little bit of steak. Like I said last night I had some pork and lobster. In the morning yesterday I had one egg. So today I had nothing but this all. I'm gonna eat some steak and lobster tonight, and tomorrow I'm gonna have an egg in the morning and hopefully steak and lobster again tomorrow. And then we're in Miami for a couple days. Yay! We're booking for Miami. You gotta email badmomnre3@gmail. If I have a ton of spots actually because I haven't been able to look into this shit. So when you come through, make sure you come through with some like normal conversation as well as some normal talk on deposits. And it has like 3 people booked, 4 people booked, 2 deposits. So that's it. So we got time. Let me know what's poppin'. I'll be in Miami for 2 days. And I get on the celebration on the 7th. Like this. That was Jamaica for sure. On my eyelash. Thank you, love. Oh, I do back to back to back to back to back to back to back cruises, but this one has a little break. Thank you, Ernest. Thank you, love. Thank you, Baltimore. Look at the ocean. So yeah, because of the casino stuff, I guess I got like no crazy deal. It's only gonna cost me like $12 or something for my feet, you know. But I'm not letting them like take down my polish. I just got my feet done at home. But to get a nice little scrub and sit in the massage chair and eat and have whatever on my feet, yeah. I'm down. 145 bow tie, but my phone says it's